Okay, good morning and happy Saturday again. My partner came in for the Accord, so I'm gonna get that. But I think I've decided for today's project I'm gonna go ahead and cut that wheelhouse area out and replace it, because it's pretty messed up, and it looks like you can take out all the caulking and stuff and get those welds out. So that's what I'm gonna do. But today is the public service announcement that if you have a older Chevy, we had to replace the air conditioner in that. Hang on, let me get over there. So we got this, we ended up having to buy a whole new compressor clutch combination. We thought we had a bunch of oil and stuff through here on this line right here. So he bought this and replaced it. And then when we went to charge it, the clutch wasn't spinning. It had a bunch of orange kind of burnt metal, type right here on one side of the clutch. And so we thought, well, it's probably just the clutch. And then we tested the magnet by adding, you can add 12 volts to the pins here, and you should hear it click. That wasn't happening, so we tried to buy a clutch. And if you go to AutoZone, O'Reilly, Napa, any of those, it will say it has a clutch. And it says, there's two options for, this is a 2001, and there's two options, but neither one fit. It says it fits and everything else, but the shaft of the compressor is way smaller on those Delphis that came on this original one. And we tried 3 different clutches, one from Napa, one from O'Reilly, well actually 2 from O'Reilly. The second one was kind of my fault. I didn't plug in the motor size, and so it gave me 3 options. And I thought, oh, that one looks just like it, because the magnet looked kind of like the one on the Delphi, so I went ahead and got that. But then when we got here, it was splined and not keyed, so which makes a difference as well. Anyway, finally on Monday, I went ahead and called one of the local AC shops and talked to them. And before I even really got my question out, he said, well, yeah, on those older Chevys, older, I say 2000, he said on those, most of those you have to replace the whole unit because they cannot get just the clutch. So I went ahead and ordered one, got it on here. I think Philip changed it out yesterday, and he's been running it. Happy camper again, got AC here in South Texas. So just a little quick tip. If you have one of these, don't go through the trouble. And if you look on Rock Auto, AutoZone, Napa, all of those, it's the exact same stock photo for the clutch. So you can tell that they're the same things. But what it is you get in here and you put the magnet and the pulley on, and it just has a lot of play and room. It doesn't press on at all. So it doesn't work. Like I said, we tried all of them. We tried the one that says will not replace 3i hub. We tried the one that says it, fits our motor, and neither one of them worked. So just a quick tip for the Saturday morning here. If you do have a Chevy and you ever try it out, just go ahead and save yourself some time and headache and buy the whole unit together, and that'll be good. And I missed it, but the lovely wife over there was finishing up, sweeping off the mess way up there. I think he's just about done. Our friend brought us some more dirt, and we've got another pile, a couple more piles here. These, he actually has some Bermuda sprigs in them, so that's why he dumped them right here. And we're gonna try to spread those out and see if we can get some grass growing and stuff. But mainly we're just kind of trying to finish up the driveway so that it will, when it rains and stuff, it'll kind of come over the top and not underneath the driveway, because we were a little worried about that in some of the spots. But I think it's looking pretty good. Once Philip gets home today, he's probably going to finish up there and spread the rest of that out. And then the only thing left is I got to really get started on this car. All right, well, as always, stay tuned. I'll have the fix for this coming up, and a lot more videos. I was working on a log splitter idea over the week too, and that's probably finish that up today while I wait for that extra part, because now I got one more part come in for the wheelhouse area. So as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.